That is so gangster. Where are the flames? Where are the f***ing flames? The truck was always open. But guess what? Bad.
Yeah, right. Yeah, fairly bigger.
Dear Lord. Okay.
No,
where are you guys going?
Well,
You guys in a hurry?
yeah, no, yeah, somewhere.
It's a 903.
Are you ready?
That's what they say. Because
time, guys.
yeah, I can see that truck. That thing's no time. You don't know what it is. It could be 1,025.
Sure.
Never know.
It could
Never
be a
know.
540.
Yeah, we are used to this. Is like curveballs. The guys come here. Yeah, I have 10 to 1 compression. No, he has 13. You know, so like that's normal. That thing may be 1,000 plus, maybe 850. We don't know. But like throw the dice.
See, most times that's not the no time, guys. That's just they don't know. No idea. 10 to 1, 14 to 1, doesn't matter.
Surprise compression.
All right.
Surprise compression.
Just a guess.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool though. Like that's a badass truck. I love that body style with that kind of power plant. Man, it makes it perfect.
It's different.
Fucking awesome.
It's not too many people shoving hogs in an S10.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. Really cool. Yeah.
Just a work truck.
Just a work truck, just a hay hauler. That's what I tell people.
Hey,
Man, I bet the thing's light. It looks light.
It's like, I don't care. I tell people it's like 2250 without me in it.
It's pretty light.
Yeah.
You know, it's pretty light.
It's
It's still.
all steel, all glass. Other than with the doors don't make no difference.
Dang, that thing can go fast, huh?
Yeah.
Dear Lord.
Show them the video.
Man.
I ran next to a screwblower car.
Yeah, he made our screwblower car look bad.
He got you.
Not that bad.
They screwblowered me.
Oh boy.
That's why we're here to figure
Our
out.
Lord and Savior, the screwblower. It's hard to beat that guy, you know? Usually when you beat that guy, it's because you limit the overdrive.
Right. Yeah, right.
When you don't limit the overdrive, damn, it's hard to get that motherfucker. Oh boy. Oh boy.
I remember when I first came here, you had your pro mod car with the hat on it and everything. And I was sitting there, I was like, man, we could put a hat on this thing. That'd be cool as hell. Like, that's so cool.
Oh yeah. Like the white turbo car that was driving is becoming screw now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Like 959, 977. Is it really that much more?
No, it doesn't just fun.
Yeah.
I don't think it just fun.
Right.
And the problem is, as you add stroke, the motor revs less, and then you get into other trouble. The converter doesn't work right. The rear gear is too tall.
Yeah,
like
especially on these.
and then you get in like, dear Lord, and then you apply more nitrous on the leaf because the gear is too tall.
Yeah.
Now you put in the motor during stress for longer,
Yeah.
like that, so it doesn't work. Like best engines that we had here, they were like you know, the average, no crazy stroke deal, you know, like 6-inch stroke and stuff. 600, we had a couple good ones, right? But like 6.0 is better. Some 6.1s were good with small piston, right? So the piston would be better,
5-inch,
right? But the motor revs a little less, so it's kind of, you know, maybe a high 5-inch stroke, right, with a good piston size, and I don't know even the number that will come out. I think it's going to be more flexible. And then the motor revs like 8,000. And then the gear is better, so the car runs better. Even if it doesn't show power here, and the track's better.
Yeah, we ran this one at SG. When we went to lights out, it was like 7,700. So we're going through the lights at like 7,700.
Yeah, but look at that, right? If you get like a 600, they don't do that.
No.
They don't go there with power. They go like 7,100, right? On a good motor, right? If it is not, 6,900. You know, like, man, it's like just like a diesel now.
Yeah, and then like lock up, you're
you
like
know, yeah.
5,800.
Yeah, like
yeah,
no,
it's getting
no,
nasty. Yeah.
No. It's just you know this, just like screw cars. The higher you can rev that fucker, right? Everything works better performance-wise, right? Valve train may not like it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, for
but
sure.
like performance-wise, so you can make it up, right? The 484 cars, right? Those engines, even with the stroke, seems to be more polished than this, and they rev $8,000.
Oh yeah.
Right? And they quick as hell.
Yeah,
for a 44,
Yeah, they're running.
man, modern 44s are better than old 959s.
Got one full pass on it. I've got like three 330s
Okay,
and one full pass.
okay.
That's it.
Okay.
But,
Do you know how large are the systems that you're running
yeah,
right
it's
now?
spraying like 50. I think it's 5,750 pounds of nitrous right now.
Okay.
Or pounds per hour.
Do you know the jet number?
Yeah. So we have a 36 on the first kit, a 32 on the second, 30. I have it written down here. And then number 2, we have it jetted down.
And number 2 is the only one with a protective jet in it.
Yeah, it's got a fucking. So we have a 36 on the one kit, 30. It's actually a 32 on the second kit. Kit 3 is 30s with a 28 over 2 and 8.
Okay.
And then kit
Yeah,
4 and 5 is 30 and 24.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. Yeah, that's a good spread for that kind of engine. Like it's gonna live for a long time if you keep the tune there.
Yeah.
We're gonna run it a little bit more. He wants the engine to 110 so he can just lash it and stuff really quick.
Oh, beautiful. I'm not really sure this exhaust is gonna survive today.
They move around a little bit, yeah.
A little bit? Holy fuck, that thing was moving. So it's been like this for some time?
I ran it like this, yeah. I need to put like a strap on it, so I have like a clamp.
Maybe a clamp to
Like
grab
a
all that?
that kind of like
Holy fuck. Okay, I like it. Survives, right?
There's
number 2.
actually a mount underneath on the bottom of the chassis that grabs the bottom tubes and holds them up. They won't go down anymore. The top tubes kind of move around a little bit.
This one is on fire. That motherfucker dances all over.
Your number 2 EGT Pro.
That's
not
one.
Okay. It's probably flipped or partially pulled out of the.
It looks like it's half out.
Yeah, that's the new one.
probably push the 2.3 change or something like that to 7800 or 7700, where it zipped the nitrous and then it came back on. We'll have to pull the shift back on that. That motherfucker's so gangster.
Hey, everyone fucking kept telling me, where are the flames? Where are the fucking flames? The truck was always known for the fucking
Well, you
flames.
got 'em now.
But guess what? They're fucking back. Motherfucker.
No, that's not the Los Normals.
I know. Holy shit.
I think it would have made a little bit more than that if you didn't flip the nitrous.
Whatever. Who gives a shit? We'll fucking speed it up at the track, man. I don't give a fuck, man. That bitch is fucking cooking down through there.